Welcome folks to this video where Michael and I will react to random social media comments which were all selected by our team. So let's see what they prepared for us.
Fritz, if you have only one Switch to sell, which one would it be?
Wow, tough question. I think personally for me it would be the MX Brown because I like the little slight tactile bump in it, and I really use a MX Brown keyboard as a daily driver. Oh. And what about you?
I would go for the Nixie Switch because that one has the best margin.
Oh really, I see what you did there.
So, thank you.
The next comment is that you, Trevor, from GTA? Michael? Good point.
Maybe
so
not.
tell the truth. No, you can tell the viewers the truth. Are you Trevor from GTA?
No, but I admit I have the same lifestyle.
You even look like him.
Okay, next question. Oh, no, that's also one for me, I guess. Your voice is the definition of German English.
He's got a point there.
No, that's not true. If I need to, I can speak Italian English as well, you know?
Which one you like better?
Yeah.
With the is this dude dead? No, just German. Good one.
Nothing to add there. Okay, and we received a lot of questions actually about the Cherry MX low profile.
Right.
And the keycaps. If the original keycaps are fitting to the low profile switches, they theoretically fit, but they're a little bit too high. So if you attach them to a low profile key, you hit the frame of the keycap and you cannot press down the whole key. That's the point. So if you have, or if you're an enthusiast and you want to tune your keycaps in order to make them a little bit thinner, that works. Otherwise, you can't use them on a Cherry MX low profile, unfortunately.
You heard that? Off to the next one. Cherry as a company is only good at one thing, making switches. Thank you for that. But holy the marketing team sucks.
Thanks for that comment.
Yeah, for the first part of the comment.
No, maybe for the second as well. So we should develop switches instead of doing marketing.
Okay.
Now we invite these guys, send us your video and we can have a little chat there. Unfortunately, with that pandemic, we cannot meet in person.
Right, that's true.
Which is maybe better for both parties. Okay.
Next one.
Fritz, no, sorry, that was the last comment for this session. Because
that's it.
Right. In this format, we want to collect the questions. So leave us a comment below. We will try to answer it in the next sessions if it's suitable for this format.
Right.
Right. True. And I hope you enjoyed it.
Tell us in the comments below. We live from your feedback, and I don't know if we should film another episode of this one. Maybe not. Just tell us.
And thanks for watching. Stay safe.